Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can play Sea of Thieves in a split screen. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. So in this video I'll explain you whether is it possible for you to do so or how to. So the thing is, the first would be simply again access your split of Thieves from any of your browser on your PC or on your computer. So once we have done so, we're gonna go access it, and even if we go to the settings option, we do have all kinds of settings regarding our keyboard and mouse, controller, input, gameplay, HUD, etc. But if we go to the generally, we do not have an option where it requires the split screen because play Sea of Thieves does not offer that service. Even if you would like to do it, even if you would like to enjoy that particular way of playing, you cannot, because it's just not available on Sea of Thieves. So that is the conclusion for it. If you would like to do so, unfortunately you can't. And that is it, guys. Unfortunately, hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.